Have you ever wondered how to start dropshipping with absolutely no money? Well, before we dive into the no money approach, let's quickly understand what dropshipping is. Picture this. You're a retailer, but without the headache of inventory management, shipping, or even seeing the product. That, in essence, is dropshipping. In the dropshipping model, you, as the retailer, sell products directly to the consumer, but the catch is, you don't actually hold any of these products in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, you forward the order and the customer's details to a third-party supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. You, as the retailer, are essentially the middleman in this transaction, but the beauty of it is you never have to touch the product, and you only pay for what you sell. Now you might be wondering, what's the advantage of all this? Well, it's simple. First off, the dropshipping model requires a very low upfront cost. Traditional retail businesses require a significant investment in inventory before a single sale can be made. But with dropshipping, you only purchase a product when you have an existing order to fill. Secondly, there's no need for inventory. You know all those horror stories about retailers stuck with unsold stock that they can't shift? That's not a problem with dropshipping. You only order what you need when you need it. And finally, dropshipping offers a level of flexibility that traditional retail just can't compete with. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, offer a wide range of products without needing to stock anything, and easily adjust your strategy based on consumer demand and trends. So, now that you understand what dropshipping is, let's move on to the first step in no-money dropshipping: market research. Now, the first step in no-money dropshipping is market research. It's like setting a compass before embarking on a journey. You need to understand your niche, the specific area you want to focus on. This could be anything from vintage watches to vegan cosmetics. But it's not just about what you're passionate about, it's also about what people want and are searching for. Next, identify your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? Their age, location, and even their hobbies can impact your business strategy. Don't forget about your competitors. What are they offering? How can you differentiate yourself? Fortunately, you don't have to do this alone. There are plenty of free tools out there to help you. Google Trends can show you what's popular, while keyword research tools can help you understand what your potential customers are searching for. Once you've done your market research, you're ready to build your online presence. Having an online presence is a necessity in dropshipping. Now you might be wondering, I don't have any money. How can I build a website? Well, fret not, dear listeners, because there are numerous cost-effective options available for you to choose from. Let's start with Wix. It's a user-friendly platform that offers a free version for those starting out. You can pick from a variety of templates and customize your site to fit your brand. Remember, your website is your store's front door. It's the first impression customers get of your business, so make it count. Then there's WordPress. While it's slightly more complex than Wix, it provides more control over the look and feel of your site. The free version is robust, but if you're willing to invest a little, the paid plans offer even more customization options. Now you might be thinking, great, I have a website, but how do I get people to see it? That's where social media comes in. Instagram and Facebook are two platforms that can help you reach a broad audience without spending a dime. On Instagram, you can showcase your products through eye-catching images and short videos. Use relevant hashtags to make your posts discoverable and engage with your followers to build a community around your brand. Meanwhile, Facebook allows you to create a business page where you can share updates, promote your products, and interact with your customers. You can also join relevant groups to increase your visibility and engage with potential customers. The key to social media is consistency. Regularly posting engaging content can help you build a loyal following over time. And remember, it's not just about selling, it's about creating relationships and fostering trust with your audience. So there you have it. Building an online presence might seem daunting, but with these free tools, it's entirely doable, even on a shoestring budget. Just remember to stay genuine, engage with your audience, and most importantly, have fun with it. With your online presence set up, it's time to source your products. Sourcing products without investing money up front is the next step. In this dropshipping journey, it's all about finding the right suppliers and manufacturers, those that allow dropshipping. It may sound tricky, but in reality, there are countless suppliers who are more than willing to partner with budding entrepreneurs like you and offer dropshipping as a service. The key here is to find those suppliers who can provide the products you're looking to sell. Now, you might be wondering where to start your search. One of the most popular platforms for sourcing dropshipping products is AliExpress. With a vast array of products and suppliers, you're sure to find something that fits your niche. On AliExpress, you can connect with suppliers from all over the world. From electronics to fashion, home goods to sports equipment, you can find almost anything. The beauty of this platform is that most suppliers on AliExpress are already familiar with the dropshipping model. They understand the process and are usually quite flexible and cooperative. But remember, it's not just about finding a supplier, you also have to build a relationship with them. Communicate your needs and expectations clearly to ensure a smooth business relationship. Now don't limit yourself to one platform. Venture out, explore other platforms. The wider your net, the better your chances of finding the perfect supplier. Now that you have sourced your products, let's talk about marketing and sales strategies. Marketing your dropshipping products with no budget can be challenging, but not impossible. The digital world opens up a plethora of opportunities for businesses to grow without spending a dime. Today we'll explore some of these strategies. First off, content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers, and customers into repeat buyers. The type of content you share is closely related to what you sell, and you're essentially educating people so that they know, like, and trust you enough to do business with you. You could start a blog, create engaging social media posts, or even make informative videos to share on platforms like YouTube. Next, we have social media marketing. It's all about reaching out and connecting with your audience on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can use these platforms to create engaging content, run contests, share user-generated content, or even collaborate with influencers. Speaking of influencers, influencer partnerships can be a game changer. By collaborating with influencers in your niche, you can reach a wider audience without spending any money. Instead, offer your products for free in exchange for a review or a shout-out. Finally, let's talk about free advertising strategies. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a method of improving your website's visibility on search engines. By using the right keywords and creating valuable content, you can attract organic traffic to your website. And then there's email marketing. Although it's one of the oldest forms of digital marketing, it's still one of the most effective. Building an email list and regularly sending out newsletters is a great way to keep your audience engaged and remind them about your products. Remember, marketing is all about creativity and understanding your audience. Use these strategies as a starting point and experiment to see what works best for your dropshipping business. After marketing your products, handling orders and providing quality customer service becomes crucial. Order fulfillment and customer service are key elements in dropshipping. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business, and their satisfaction should be your #1 priority. When an order comes in, it's crucial to ensure it gets processed promptly and dispatched to the customer as soon as possible. Any delay could lead to customer dissatisfaction, which can harm your business's reputation. Now let's talk about handling customer inquiries and issues. As a dropshipper, you're going to receive questions and concerns from customers. It's crucial to respond to these inquiries promptly and professionally. A quick, helpful response can turn a potential problem into an opportunity to demonstrate your commitment to customer service. Effective communication is the cornerstone of great customer service. Always be clear, polite, and helpful. Remember, every interaction with a customer is an opportunity to build a stronger relationship with them. Once you have started making profits, it's time to scale your business. Scaling your dropshipping business once you start making profits is the next step. Consider reinvesting these profits back into your venture. This could mean upgrading your website, investing in more sophisticated marketing strategies, or expanding your product range. Managing finances effectively and maintaining a steady cash flow is paramount. Remember, growth is a gradual process, so set realistic targets and work consistently towards them. To summarize, starting dropshipping with no money involves market research, building an online presence, sourcing products, marketing, sales strategies, handling orders, customer service, and scaling.